Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. So today I did a video on this look, and this look was done using the Anastasia Self Made palette. And here it is. Let me see. So, with the new year, I've been thinking about different videos I wanted to do, and I've also been coming up with some New Year's resolutions like most people do. And I started thinking about it, and I'm like, good Lord, I cannot keep up with like all the new makeup. Like, there's constantly new palettes coming out, and you know, when you look at them, a lot of them are the same colors, or you know, same color schemes, or like one company comes up with one, so then every other company has to come up with one that's just a little bit different from that but similar or whatever. But I started thinking about it, and I'm like, I have all these palettes and there's no way that I can use all of them. And I'm like, I have so many palettes from, you know, last year, the year before that, the year before that, and I was like, that's my New Year's resolution. I'm gonna go back and start using some of those older palettes. So then I started thinking about videos I wanted to do this year, and I was like, that's it. Gosh darn it, I am gonna do a Throwback Thursday video, and each Thursday I'm gonna upload a video spotlighting an older palette. So the first one I pulled off my shelf was the Anastasia one, and this came out in 2015. I was so excited when this palette came out. I'm a little confused because Anastasia, when the Modern Renaissance palette came out, they were like, oh, it's their first, you know, full-size palette, and I was like, no, because this one came out before that. But I wonder if it's because this one was limited edition, whereas the Modern Renaissance isn't. That's like their first, like, gonna be around all the time palette. What do you call that? What's the word? I don't know. I'm having a, I don't know, brain fart. Anyway, so that is what I'm thinking of doing, and this is the look I did with this palette. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So I've already done everything, well, almost everything on my face. I just haven't put blush on, but I've already done my foundation, my concealer, setting powder, bronzer, and my eyebrows. So let's get to it. I'm going to take the color Sherbet. I'm going to put that all over my eye. And put that all over to put a nice base, nice transition shade. Almost all the way up to my eyebrow, and dust it over my lid. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the color Hot and Cold, and I'm going to put that in my crease, but I'm not going to be very precise with it. So I put it in my crease, and then I'm just going to blend upward. And then a little out. And then I'm going to go back in with that first color, that Sherbet, and just dust it under my eye. Not bad. I don't tell you guys what brushes I'm using. Like, I'm awful about that. I think the first one I used was the Morphe E30. Nice fluffy brush. And then I used this Moto Pro brush to do the crease color with the hot and cold, and it is the BMX 430 crease. I don't think they've released these brushes yet. Oh, come on. Focus. They haven't released these yet. They should be out early 2018, they said. And then for under my eye, I used the Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush. Did I say 207? I think I said 207. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe brush, and I'm going to go in the color Hot Chocolate. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner and right in the crease. Being more precise than I was with the last color. You just dab it in there and then blend it across. And then you can brush it out, gives you a little wing, bit of a winged effect. And you can always build up the color, so start light and then you can go heavier. I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush with that hot chocolate color. I'm gonna put it right in the crease. Just to be a little more precise, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the first crease brush. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E27. It's just a fluffy brush. Just do it once over, make sure everything's nice and blended. This Morphe angled brush. It's like super thin. And I'm gonna dip it in that hot chocolate color. I'm gonna place that like right on the lower lash line and up to the crease. And then I'm gonna take this medium sweeper brush, and it is the E54 from Sigma. And just blend that out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color Treasure. I'm gonna place it all over the lid. From about the inner corner to a little more than halfway, probably about 3/4 of the way across the eye. And I'm just using a Urban Decay flat shadow brush to apply that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with, oh my gosh, I love this color. I'm gonna go in with this pink champagne color right here. So I'm going to get that color all over the flat brush. And I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to place that all over the lid. And I'm just going to press it in. And you keep doing that until you have the desired amount of color you want on your lid. And then I'm going to go back in with this treasure color. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Brush. It's tiny. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and then put on lashes, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. So I just went off camera. I did blush, highlighter, my eyeliner, I put lashes on, and I did my lips. So let's see, let's zoom out a little bit. So this is it. And then I use my setting spray. I'll link everything down below for all the products that I've used. But I'm not even sure if you can get this anymore. But it definitely is a great palette, and if you have it, like I said, the whole point of doing these Throwback Thursday tutorials is to bust out my old palettes and, you know, encourage people to go through their, you know, their older makeup that they might still have if they haven't gotten rid of it or whatever. I don't know if you collect it. Here it is again. You know, if you just collect makeup, you love it. You know, it's hard to keep up with all the new stuff, and then you realize, gosh, I have all this dang makeup, and you know, I have so much of it, I don't even get to use all of it. So hopefully these videos inspire some of you to pull out some of your old makeup palettes. And like I said, that's not even that old. It's only 2015, so 3 years old. So that's not that old. So I don't know, if you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up, or give the video a thumbs up, and leave your comments below so I know. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.